Welcome to the in front of me Samsung Galaxy J5 2017, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first I'll enter my pin code, and now just to remove the pin from my SIM card, you should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the to the biometrics and security section. Now just here click a little bit down to the other security section, and just here tap to the setup SIM unlock. As can you see, our SIM card is locked, and just to remove SIM pin from our SIM card, tap here once on the switcher, and here enter your currently password and tap to OK. And as can you see, we'll just unlock our SIM card and remove the SIM pair. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.